Meteorologist Scott Stuccio. The best thing about nights like tonight is it's happening on the weekend. Remember when we had the pattern of rain on every weekend days all spring?
Oh, yeah. Whenever I was here last year, it was like that. Did the same thing. Now I'm 6 for 6, and we're going to keep the streak going, hopefully, the next time in September. Hopefully, when I see you again, it's like this. September-like feel to the air around here. You really notice it when you get into the shade at this very hour. Let's take a look 60 miles to the south of the backyard. What a gorgeous picture in downtown Pottsville. Good evening to you folks in Schuylkill County. Take a walk this evening if you can before the sun sets. After our show, of course. After our show, watch this first. And right there, the world's best in Little League will be gathering out here very soon with the regionals wrapping up. And what a awesome picture. Just a couple of cumulus clouds out there. When they collapse tonight and go away and the wind dies down, it is going to be very cool tomorrow morning. Comfortable to say the least. And tomorrow, another Sunday fun day, hopefully, for all of you. Humidity does come back, though, by early week, and so does the chance for showers and thunderstorms. After a brief notch of cooler weather late next week, maybe especially at night, I think the heat is coming back. So summer is not certainly over by any means. It is in the 60s. Bradford, Wellsboro, Mount Pocono, and DuBois, lots of areas in the 60s at this hour. And with the dry air in place, you know it is going to set up for a really cool night. It would not surprise me if some areas drop below 50 in the northern tier tomorrow morning. We were right on the money for the average low this morning at 60, and it stayed in the 70s here in the backyard as well, as the team has been promising you all week long. It stayed dry today. A couple of clouds billowed up with the cool air above us, but they're going away. Again, dying wind, dry air, all the good recipe ingredients for a cool night. Lows in the 50s, maybe a little river valley fog at sunrise tomorrow, but from sunrise to sunset, a dandy, with a high averaging around 80 degrees. That's because high pressure is going to slide over us, and once it moves away by tomorrow night into Monday, the wind turns around at the surface. And we know what that does. It brings in warmer and more humid air. We'll see that on Monday. It stays dry for most of our Monday, too. Overnight, Monday into Tuesday, a trough comes through here. And then we're in this humid sector of this next storm system on Tuesday. So a good chance for some widespread showers and storms to develop, some of which could be on the strong side. Wednesday and even into Thursday, as we get some of this coastal southeast coast moisture to kind of hang around and interact with the next system, we'll still have a chance for showers and storms. But on the probability, you're going to see 0 tomorrow, nothing Monday. But overnight into Tuesday morning, we may wake up to some storms Tuesday. Then we have a good chance Tuesday and Wednesday, isolated chance Thursday, and then I think we're going to see mostly dry conditions, but the heat will come back, especially the second half of next weekend. A beauty tomorrow, 80 for the high, 60 at night, still a comfortable overnight tomorrow, but then warmer and more humid Monday with a chance for an overnight shower or storm. Most of that day is going to be dry, but again, Tuesday early morning and then again afternoon and evening storms likely there. Muggy Tuesday and Wednesday, perfect ingredients for thunderstorms to develop at any time. Still an isolated chance Thursday, but you see the nights there late week. I think we'll have a little comfortable air, but that doesn't last. Next weekend, the heat is back on. Again, I don't know if you can use the word perfect, Dave. We don't use it very many times, but this was one such day.
Close enough to perfect.
You bet.
Thanks, Scott.
You got it.